Good day, everyone. From the School of Emiliano Tria Terona Memorial National Integrated High School, research title, The Impact of Retrieval and Metacognitive Strategies on Student Outcomes of Grade 7 and Grade 8 Junior High School Student in Science. Researchers are Angelo B. Biaco, Nina Angela P. Cate, and yours truly, Christy C. Sombrano. The current K-12 curriculum utilizes spiral learning, at which previous lessons from earlier grade levels are used as foundation for learning in the current grade level. This requires the student to recall information from their long-term memory. Long-term memory retention is essential to the spiral learning. Rereading and restudying is not an effective way to convert short-term memory in long-term memory. As a solution to such deficiencies, in long-term memory retention, the researchers would like to implement retrieval practices and metacognitive activities. Research questions. This research aims to examine the effect of retrieval and metacognitive strategies on student outcomes in grade 7 and 8 students. Specifically, it's sought to answer the following questions. 1. What is the result of the pretest of the respondents? 2. What is the result of the posttest of the respondents? 3. Is there a significant difference in the posttest of all respondents? And 4. Identify the most effective retrieval practices in the student's viewpoint. To answer question number 1, what is the result of the pretest of the respondents? The respondents have gained a mean score of 11.97 out of a perfect score of 20 points. On the question number 2, what is the result of the post-test of the respondents? The respondents gained a mean score of 18.13 out of 20 points. On the question number 3, is there a significant difference in the post-test of all respondents? The post-tests of all respondents had a critical value of t equals 2.0 and the absolute computed value of t from the post-test of experimental group and post-test of control group is 3.38. This value falls in the rejection region of normal distribution, which means we reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis that there is a significant difference between the two sets of scores. The p-value of 2.53 indicates that there is unlikely chance extreme sample variation. And the metacognitive strategies, ungraded quizzes, is the most favored and perceived as the most helpful by the students according to interviews and exit ticket surveys. Second is rehearsal practice, and the last is metacognitive reflection. Conclusion and recommendation. Ideas, strategies, and new methods to help students achieve the best outcomes in content knowledge and student-led reviewing in Andate Educator. Analyzing with a critical eye and choosing to use evidence-based learning strategies are best ways educators can set their students up to success. The study found research-supported methods to help students achieve better short and long-term learning and build students' confidence in leading their own studying. Ungraded quizzes had the most positive impact on students' perception of learning and guided their next steps for reviewing. This strategy is simple action, but one that can go a long way for both educators and students and help making learning future actions the students' responsibilities. And here are the references of this research. Thank you and have a good day.